What's the meaning of chicken shit? Chicken shit. Chicken shit.
Chicken shit. Chicken shit. Chicken shit is a vulgar slang term used to describe something or someone who was considered petty, insignificant, or cowardly. The term originated in the military and was used to refer to soldiers who were afraid to engage in combat. In broader usage, it can refer to anyone who avoids taking responsibility, shirks difficult tasks, or engages in petty behavior. Being labeled as chicken shit can result in a loss of respect from others, damage to one's reputation, and a failure to achieve personal or professional goals due to a lack of courage and determination.